Hi there, it's Sunny from iPhone Life Hacks, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit how you can find out more about where your battery life is going, okay? So you'll be able to see exactly which apps are actually draining your battery, or is it more the apps that you spend most of your time on? So let's find out for real, shall we? So in order to do that, I need to just tap on Settings. And of course, if I just scroll down, there we are. There is a battery section within settings. And when we go into here, it just does a quick refresh and then it just kind of goes through all the calculations and works out what's happening with all the apps. Now, what you're seeing right now is the screen that pops up when your phone is actually plugged in. Because I'm doing a recording, it's actually plugged in. So let me show you some screenshots that I took earlier. Now, these are showing you on the first picture. We can see that there are apps like Instagram, MyFitnessPal and Waze and what have you, and you can see on the right hand side that the Instagram, for example, has been responsible for 16% of the battery usage. Now that doesn't mean 16% as in your battery dropped, for example, from 100% down to 84%, it just means 16% of total battery usage. And in this case, what we're showing you, if you look at the top, you can see that we're looking at what happened in the last 24 hours. And then here's a nice little thing as well. If you then look to the top right, we've got what looks like a little clock. If we tap on there, then what happens is we get to see more information about what is actually happening within the app itself. So that 16% that was on use for Instagram, 27 minutes of that was on screen. In other words, I was actually staring at Instagram and using it for a full 27 minutes in the past 24 hours, okay? And in addition to that, there was some stuff happening in the background which was going on when I thought the app was closed, and it just took another minute to just do a little bit more processing in the background. Presumably that was something to do with the Instagram stories at iPhone Life Hacks. And we can get other information on there. For example, you can see that I've actually been on the phone for 49 minutes, but that in turn has only used 6% of the total power I've used in the last 24 hours. If I want to see what's happened the last 7 days, just tap on last 7 days. So there it is. That's a really quick tip on how you can find out what's happening with your battery, which apps are using up your battery, and then you can actually see what's happening in the background as well. So if you then want to kind of take action and see what's going on with those apps, then you can do so, and it means that you can manage your battery far more easily because you know exactly which apps are taking over. Okay, hope that's been really useful to you. Thank you very much for listening. My name's Sunny from iPhone Life Hacks, and I will see you on the next video.